Hello YouTube. Today I'm back with a wonderful example of a Sessions Beehive clock. I got this clock for Christmas. It's got a date in the back, October 15th, 1917. This clock has a nice bezel. There is a smudge on the glass though. Let me show you the dial. Camera will not focus. Alright, hold on. Okay. It's got two winding holes for the hour strike and the time. Right here, you can turn it to the right to make it go faster, to the left to make it go slower. This clock has a bell chime on the half hour that does the cathedral gong on the hour. I'm assuming the case is some type of oak. I don't really know. It's got this little decoration in the middle. It really helps the clock look nicer. So now I'm going to turn it around so you can see the movement. This clock has an 8-day movement. Like I said, the bell in the half hour and the cathedral gong in the hour. Right there it says October 15th, 1917. Good condition for the original stamp. Oh yeah, there's a pendulum. I was wondering where it was. I'm gonna reach right here and ding the bell. The bell goes off on the half hour. The coil gong right here does the hour. That's pretty much it about this clock, YouTube. If you have any questions or information, please let me know in the comments below. So, yeah, see you next time.